Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable control folder access in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to search for Windows Security. Now open this and go to Virus and Threat Protection. Click on it. Now you can see in the section of Virus and Threat Protection settings, here you can see Manage Settings. You just have to click on this. Now scroll down. Here you can see Control Folder Access. You just have to manage Control Folder Access. If you want to enable this, you just have to turn on this button. So this is how you can enable control folder access in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.